Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share a very interesting story. It is about one of my student. He joined my classes around 7 to 8 months back, and then he started and he was really doing well with his classes, and he's actually from Malaysia, and he was born and brought up over there, though he's an Indian, but he was born there in Malaysia, and he is a working professional. He works in IT company, and then he took classes because he wonders that he's very good in his technical knowledge, but he lacks when he has to articulate himself, when he has to speak, and when he has to write emails. And then when he started my classes, he took classes for around like 2 to 3 months, and after that he messaged that he wouldn't be available for another 15 days as he was in hospital. He undergone some like rare disease, which I don't want to mention over here. God forbid it never happened with anybody. So then he took break for some time period for 15 to 20 days. Then he was so scared within him that he took a break from his workplace, wondering if I will be able to survive or not. So he could spend some time with his family, with his kid. So, and for these long 6 months, he continued to take classes from me, and I used to teach him English and writing skills and a lot of motivational things, because he needs to feel lively, as he was a bit demeaned from within because of this disease that happened with him. And then now the 6 months have passed, and he planned that he should be working now that things are going well and his savings are getting over, so he needs a job. So even the doctors assured that he is physically fine now. So then he was very skeptical when he was trying for the job. He was wondering that now I will be applying after like 6 months gap, so whether he will be getting or not, and if he will be getting, they will give him less salary, the companies, because it is so natural that after a gap, if you try, people take advantage of it and they give you lesser salary. So he just tried it, and then to his surprise, and even he told me, so I'm narrating the story to you, that he just applied in 4 companies, and out of 4, 3 already gave him the offer, and that too, one company gave him 30% high, and then another company gave him 15%, and the one and last company, it was like that, the same price. And he was so happy about it that even he is like joining after a gap of 6 months, but then also he got an increment as well. And you know what he told me, and he thanked me for it, and I want to understand this thing that he said, though he's a technical guy, none of the company checked his technical knowledge, as it is already on papers, but everyone checked the way he was communicating, the way he was presenting himself. Even for his gap of 6 months, the way I explained him and he narrated gave him a hike of 30%, which is actually a great achievement. So I just wanted to tell you that speaking English and communicating yourself well is very important. So see, he got a job after a break of 6 months, and that too with a salary hike, is commendable. So that means anywhere you go, first of all, you are going to present yourself in any company. So communication skills are very important. So I hope it will be encouraging thing for you, and you will be working more and more towards your desire and goal of learning English. And if you really like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.